Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we will go through some useful techniques and some tricks for partitioning complex geometry in Abaqus. This will allow you to generate a high quality of mesh with hexagonal elements instead of tetrahedral elements. I have already imported the part in the Abaqus user interface, this sheet metal bracket with a hole in the bottom side. And if I switch to the mesh module, you can see that the color is orange. That means that you can create a mesh with tetrahedral elements only. And that's why we are going to create some partitions on the geometry. So this is the tool that we are going to use, create partition tool. And select the cells here and let's click in the first option, define cutting plane. So Abaqus here shows three options, three different options. Let's use this. This is my favorite one, 3 points. With 3 points you can define the plane. So let's click 1, 2, and 3 points. Create partition. So now this cell is yellow highlighted, so you can mess it with hexagonal elements. We have to continue to the red geometry. Let's now use this option, extended face. Select this cell now, click done, and click this surface for the partition. Now the color is green. That means that you can generate a structured mesh with hexagonal elements. Let's keep going. I think that with one move, define cutting plane again, click done, no, wrong, click again, click the cell here, and click again 3 points, 1, 2, and 3 points. Yes, now our geometry can be meshed with hexagonal elements. So let's go one step further and create a datum plane y, x, and make another partition, click cell. Now use the use datum plane option, select all the geometry, all the cell, click done, select datum plane, this datum plane, and create this. And let's do one step more. Show you this option, sketch planar partition. You can create an area around the hole, let's say a washer area, and you can create a better mesh around the hole. Click this, select the partition cell, select the cells, bottom, select the sketch plane and edge, and now you have to create a sketch, a circle with the center of the hole, and let's make a dimension if you want. So let's click 5, X, click done, and you can see this edge around the hole. So now our part is ready for partitioning. Let's click this option. Let's make a little bit denser and let's create. You can see, let's create some better mesh here. Click done, 0.5, here's the litmus, and mesh it again. Okay, better, we can refine a little bit more. Let's create this, hold Shift key, click done. Now it's better. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe for next videos, and goodbye.